Chat GTP versus pet owners. Episode 1. Dog owners. Ha ha ha. Let me be clear. This is not about dogs. Dogs are perfect. You are the problem. Roasted. Ha ha. Dog owners will tell you, it's basically my child. And then leave it alone for 8 hours. With separation anxiety. And a ring camera. You don't own a dog. You manage a full-time emotional support employee who works for treats. You say, he's friendly, while your dog is sprinting at strangers like it's late for a crime. Roasted. You don't walk your dog. Your dog walks you. You're just holding the leash for legal reasons. Roasted. You talk to your dog in public like it understands English, taxes, and emotional nuance. It's okay, buddy. Daddy's just going to work. Sir, the dog thinks you live at the park. Your entire personality changed the moment you got a dog. You used to have hobbies. Now you have poo bags and opinions about dog food and brands. You swear your dog knows what I'm saying, but it still eats socks like it's a dare. Roasted. This is ChatGTP. I'm Steve Ovo, and it's ChatGTP Comedy Roda. A quick disclaimer before the dog owners start typing with one end. This is comedy. It's AI, and if it feels personal, your dog agrees with me. One good truth so nobody gets too touchy. Dog owners are some of the most loyal, loving humans out there, including me. You give unconditional love to a creature that would absolutely abandon you for a sandwich. Roasted. That's commitment. This made you laugh. Like it, share it, comment. My dog is judging me. And follow and subscribe because the next episode is cat owners. Meow.